welcome to this video. In this video we're going to create a scoring system. So we're going to use our HUD we created previously to do this. And we are going to open our HUD. So let's go to the BP HUD. We already have our game over text over here. So now I'm going to drag in a new text over here in the top right. Going to move the origin to the top right again and set size to content to true. Let's see, possession y50 minus 200. No, x to 0. This to minus 1 or 1. 1.1. Never mind. I'm just going to do it like this. Minus 200. And now it's about there. And set the content to 0. And I want the text alignment to be on the right. I had a trick for this, so that when you increase the size of the text, you move to the left. Maybe it was this. Right, yes, I found it. Sorry for the small interruption. And compile and save. And now when we press play, we have the text in the top right corner over there indicating our score, but it's not increasing. So I set the text to 100, and as you may remember, we can create function bindings. First of all, over here on the left, I'm going to rename this text to score text. And I want to make the size a little larger, 36. Compile, save, and play. Yes, now it's a nice big number. Okay, so let's bind this text. Okay, so it created a function with a weird name again. Get score text. So I'm just gonna remove that all. And now, as you may remember from our game over text visibility, we can get our game mode and read values from it. So let's go to our game mode and open it, and now create a score variable which will be public and of type integer. So it will just be a round number. I will set the score to, I don't know, 10,000 for now. And go to our HUD, and I can just select these two nodes and copy it over. And now we have our orbital strike game mode here, and we can get score. And then we can convert. So, oh, misclicked. Right. So this was straightforward. Now when we press play, the score has been set to 10,000. And we just need to find a way now to increment the score. And I was thinking to just add 100 to the score every second. So it will be a nice big number. Let's just copy this set timer by function name. Execute, set our time to 1 second. And increment score. score. So let's create our function increment score, and we are just going to get the score first, and we do integer plus integer 100 per second, and now we are going to drag it in again and select set score and do it like this. Compile and save. So now every second the score is added, and there is just one minor problem, and I'll show you what happens when I place an ICBM right over our ABM installation, and we are game over now, but the score is still increasing. So I say this is your job now to find a way to not increment the score when the game over text is already set. So go ahead and do it.